Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. I'm going to take a shift to the stock market and look at the Nasdaq index. It's working on its fourth consecutive day of over a 1% decline. And I thought I'd take a look at the technicals that are driving that and what might stall the fall if we're lucky. Starting off by taking a look at the daily chart, I want to bring your attention to this blue line. This blue line represents the 100-day moving average. If we go back in time to this period right here in the March, the price closed below the 100-day moving average for one day here, just below the moving average, and then the next day we moved to a new session lows, but then snapped back higher and closed higher on the day. That led to a rally to the upside that saw the index move all the way up to the 14446.55 level before starting its rotation to the downside. I think we're down about 8% from the high so far, and in the process we are moving closer to some key support levels, including that 100-day moving average. That level comes in at 13069.94. Also in play perhaps is this area right through here, which has the high price going back to this time back in August of 2022. That level came in at 13181.09, and then this lows right here, which came in near the 13101 level. That area is being approached now ahead of the rising 100-day moving average. So we're coming into support here from a number of different perspectives, including the key 100-day moving average and then these swing areas through here. Also of significance is if you take a look at the RSI down here, this is the relative strength index, and as you can see, the index is approaching the 30 level, which is often considered the oversold area for the RSI. And you go back in time and you take a look at this lows right through here. Actually, we had diverging lows. Where we had a lower low here and a higher RSI through here, which ultimately ended to market basing and moving to the upside. But nevertheless, when the price gets down toward the 30 level on the RSI, there tends to be support. And if I look at this chart and go back in time and look through history here, the RSI near the 30 level has often found some support buying. Now, what you have to be cautious about with the RSI is that it can get more oversold. In other words, trend markets beget trend markets. They go far further than what traders expect, and as a result, you could see a further decline in the price as a result of the trending market. So what traders have to be cautious about is when they are trading a low RSI to make sure that you find key borderline support levels that you can lean against, that is bullish above and bearish below, and that's where these lines come into play right here. As long as the price is able to stay above these levels, maybe the market might come in and buy a dip against those levels, or there's a good chance with stops on a break below. So be aware of that dynamic. Yes, the RSI is oversold, but it still requires that we as traders have borderline levels that we can lean against, including these swing areas through here between 13181 and the rising 100-day moving average of 13070. The current price is trading at 13204. So we are a little in between these two levels, but we're still a decent way away from the 100-day moving average. That could lead to further selling pressure in this index. As I speak, the Nasdaq index is trying to rebound a little bit, only down minus 0.81%. Maybe the swing area is finding some support buyers. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.